Good morning, guys. What's up, guys? Before we get into the video, a lot of you guys have been buying stuff from primalDriven.com, which is the OG Primal store. Thank you so much. If you guys still want to cop some merchandise, make sure you guys hit the link below in the description. Nonetheless, we'll be shipping out to you guys ASAP. Thanks for watching. Back to the video. Cheers. This is a NOS kind of morning again. Holy crap. I am exhausted. I legit considered taking a personal day today, which I never do. I'm just exhausted. But guess what? There's no time for personal days, for progress in life. Let's go say what's up to the group. Morning. Good morning. Good morning. Is anyone else tired?
Yeah, I'm tired.
I don't know why. It must be the weather. Gotta try to start this thing up. That way, make sure the battery's still good on this. Hopefully, we haven't had a chance to really go out, take it anywhere. It's dead. It's only been 2 weeks since we started it, which is interesting. We have to have a drain.
There has to be.
This car drains the fastest out of all the cars. Okay, so this bad boy is dead. I gotta find out where the ghost drain is on this. We do have a trickle charger. The trickle chargers right now is on the Subaru, so I will have to buy another one. I was just trying to be the smartest about utilizing the charger so we didn't have to buy another one. You gotta budget. You have to budget. Thomas gonna start it up. Subi, let's see how it sounds. Let me see. Hopefully you start up just fine, baby. Come on, baby. Let's do this. Woo. Subarus sound nice. Subarus sound good. Hey, question. How does it feel starting the car, the one that you used to watch in the beginning?
You don't even know.
Kind of weird, huh?
The fact that I've moved this car too is like, what?
Kind of weird, huh?
It's really weird.
Because the camera used to be mounted right here.
Yeah.
I'd sit here with my awkward ass. Thomas just asked me if we could take it around the block. I said, no. Thing does not need to be started. This was just started recently.
Boy, you ain't got taste. Now I'm getting cash. Now your bitch gon' lie. Like, oh goddamn, that's the bitch that I want. Oh goddamn.
Oh shit, Edgar, what'd you do? What'd you do? Look, prototype 1. It's a skin. We'll make it even better. Starboy got shit on me. He plays dirty, that's why. Look at that. I'm telling you, they don't got shit on me. Look at these drifts, dude. Wow. Oh! What the hell?
Let's get it.
Yo. Hey, 220 pounds of items are arriving Friday. Roughly Friday. This week.
Yeah.
What do you guys think it is?
Fucking penises.
Penises. World's largest supplier of dildos. You almost use this every day.
It's a phone case.
Keep going. I'm not gonna say yes or no. I just want to hear the ideas.
Something that's keychain related.
Okay, so he has keychains, phone cases. One more guess.
Nerf guns?
I'd be sick, but no. Definitely no. It's something that we have never had before. One more guess.
One more?
I'm pretty excited about this one. It's different. No, can't wear it. It's pretty cool. If the quality is what I think it is, it's gonna be a fucking hot seller. If it's shitty, then we fucking lose, and it was very expensive.
Those mounts.
What mount?
Those magnetic mounts.
Okay, is that your third guess? Is that your third guess? Is that your final and third guess?
Hey, that could be
Ganja.
That could be pun.
That's what I was gonna say, bro.
220 pounds of grass. Actually, when the supplier called me, he was like, yo, I got 100 kilos for you. Hey, that's literally his conversation. I am literally rendering my video right here. Where'd it go? We're rendering my video as I'm about to drive home right now, just so we can make it for lunch with the wife. Bam! Hey, before I forget, DoorDash, it's $10 off right now. You get a free $10 if you use my referral link down in the description below. Basically, it's like food delivery. So if you order like McDonald's, you don't want to go there, you can use DoorDash. They'll take it to you. I use it all the freaking time, as you guys can see on my Snapchat. So as of right now, it's $10 off. Sometimes it's only $5. So here is a free $10. So you get your food for free for your first one. Sign up. Link in the description below. Peace. Woo. Hello.
Mommy.
Hi, baby. It's not mommy. I'm Papa.
Mommy.
Yeah, mama's over there.
Mommy.
Yeah. Oh, hi, Turbs. Leah, look. Oh, why are you crying? But why? But why? But why? Why are you crying? I don't get it. Yeah, but everything you want. You want mommy?
Mom.
Are you hungry? You guys hear me talk about this work-life balance so often, and I guess I never really explained why my dad left me when I was 5. So I have vague memories of him throughout my preteen years, and the memories I do have are pretty negative. And then in my teenage years into my adulthood, I had even more negative memories. So with this little one, come here, baby girl. What's wrong? This little one, I don't want to miss moments.
Mommy.
You want a mommy? Do you love Papa? Sometimes?
Mommy.
Sometimes? How about this? Want to have a tea party with Papa?
Mommy.
You want to drink? Mmm. Mmm. You like this? Yeah, so I just want to try to spend as much time with her as I can. But I've got to also work because working pays the bills.
Me.
So it's not easy. It's not easy. Right, baby? Right? Especially when I leave for like 3 days. She develops so quickly. The last time I went to NASCAR, she went from walking a little bit to when I came back running across the room. So I try to avoid missing those moments. Right, love? Do you love Papa? Sometimes? I love you. Come here, Rich. Put your shoes on. Come here. You want to go out? We gotta put your shoes on. Yeah, let's put your shoes on. Look at you, fancy pants with your Uggs. With your Uggs. Yeah? Come here. Let's go. Bye-bye, Aliyah. Bye-bye, Aliyah. Bye-bye, Aliyah. Hi. What's that? What does that look?
Remember when she pooped in here?
Did you poop in here before?
Yeah, remember?
Ew.
It was like for one.
Ah, Aliyah, there's water on the lens.
No.
Yes, there is. You did it. Oh my gosh, Moana.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Little baby Moana, we just need a flower at the end. Look.
Gosh, her hair is so long. Baby, say hi. You playing with the water?
She loves this here.
She likes baths and veggies.
Yeah.
Good baby.
Leah, look at Papa.
Hi. Hello.
Such a happy girl.
Most of you guys have seen a lot of my childhood vlogs, my hometown, stories about my dad, and why I work so hard to make sure my future isn't that way. And in this case, you guys see today it's like literally moments that can never be replicated. Time can never be replicated. You cannot buy it. You cannot create it. But time continues moving. And you guys can see now why I get so upset when situations cause me to lose time. And you guys see me now, like I've doubled, tripled, quadrupled down my time into work because of external circumstances that jeopardize our livelihood. And I know the comment section is going to blow up about certain situations, but if you guys kind of remember, what you guys know online isn't the first time it's happened to me. So what I'm saying is other circumstances have created the situation where it's been so difficult on us. And I wanted to show you guys through video, like I've always done before, is hey, this is my life and it's fucking not easy. It's fucking hard. I love it. Don't get me wrong. I love the fact that we get to do what we do. But at the same time as we work so hard for it to be taken away from us. And these are the moments that I never want to miss out on with my family. Simple as, you know, sitting down and watch her take a bath and listen to her smile or listen to her splash the water and see her smile and her laughs. It's like moments that you can never get back. And it's different from watching a video if your wife records it, and it's different when you're watching it live standing there, because she can respond to you like you saw her call me Papa. So because of the situation with my life, I try to prevent that same situation with her, and which is why we work so hard for the things we have, and it's why I work so hard to make sure she's secure through her life, and then teach her the best ethics and principles she can, so she doesn't develop bad habits like certain other people in this world. So I just wanted to kind of open up to you guys and show you guys what's going on with life. But you guys thought this video is kind of mellowed down. Tomorrow's vlog, the stressors increase. This is the next day, obviously, as I always edit the next day. We found out bad news, and that's, I'm gonna leave it as that. Next vlog you'll see it, but it's very, very bad news. Anyways, see you guys. Thanks for watching. Peace.